What's up, YouTube? So we're back with another one. So, of course, by this thumbnail and by the title, y'all know what we're doing today. So, let's go ahead and get into it. First off, I'm going to go ahead and get my Saran wrap and stuff. Get that situated. I don't know why I'm stuttering. But, yeah, we're going to get our Saran wrap. 3 pieces. 3 or 2, however you want to do it. She's over there crushing the cereal up while I get my stuff prepared. So y'all know when I saw this, I already was like, okay, this is a nice little thing for me to try. Because I ain't finna spend no $100. Not $100. Man, I spent $8 for all my supplies. $8 to $10. You hear me? We is not gonna play like that. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna make this. Not only did I think like creative, but I was like, okay, let's go ahead. I think this to be pretty nice to do. So now while she get her pictures and stuff for her, her content and stuff, we're gonna set up. So as you see, we have our white chocolate in the bowl. We have our cereal crushed up, and then we are using vanilla bean ice cream. It's a little soft, so yeah, if I was to make it again, I wouldn't make it with this brand ice cream. It was a little too soft. I ended up having to put it in freezer for at least a whole day. But anywho, we're gonna put this in on here, and then we're gonna mold it. Well, we're gonna flatten it out first. Then we're gonna put the Twix in the middle, and we're gonna mold it to like a chicken. So y'all sit around and y'all watch what we're gonna do. It's really self-explanatory, really. Now, what I didn't think about was how cold this was when I was smashing it together. But see, she on the roll over there. See, she is on the ball. See, my sister usually be the ones that look at the video and be like, okay, come on, let's do this. I just be like, thinking like, okay, I know how to do this. But, hey, it seemed like came out, okay, I got me a big old drumstick. Okay, so this video carried on to the next day. So all I'm going to do here is pour my cereal in the bowl. Go ahead and crush it up. It's mine, my hands. So, yeah. Okay, so what I should have did was left it in there until I was ready to do it because it's kind of still soft since I had it sitting on the counter. But I'm just going to sprinkle my cereal over it. And we're going to try to get all the sides. I'm going to roll it over and stuff like that. Just trying to make sure that I cover all the sides. I did skip the white chocolate part because I'm not really a big fan of white chocolate. So I did skip that part. But if you want to add that, you can. This is how it came out. I'm not, disappointed in how it came out. Yeah, it looked like a big old drumstick. But guess what? It's all right. It'll do. I ain't had to come out my pocket or no $100. So yeah, we did the damn thing. Okay, so I'm just checking out my work. But not too bad. Not a bad snack. Combination good. I get a 9 out of 10. Not too bad. But thank y'all for watching.